Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can simply join CapCut Pro. So this will allow you to use their Pro features, and to do that there's like a Pro button on the top left corner of your screen on your homepage, or if you go to me, there's a join CapCut Pro button. You can select either buttons, so select Pro here, and then it's going to show you like the prices for the months and like the years and stuff like that, and you're just going to select purchase if you want to over here. And that's how you can basically join CapCut Pro. You can unlock more templates, have more storage in your cloud, and also you're able to access these Pro features. There's also like these effects as well that are Pro. There's just a lot of features you can use when you're in that feature. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!